if 2 out of 10 experimental stays I visited are by Qexperiences, you should understand that Qexperiences provides the best weekend getaways in and around Bangalore. And this week we are at Kanzal Farms. Okay. Namaskaram everyone, this is Satya, Aka Water Soul, and welcome to my YouTube page. And chalo. So this farmhouse is also called as Qexperiences Ramohalli. So this place is in Ramohalli, which is like 30 kilometers from Bangalore, and this is the beautiful garden that you have in this farmhouse. And this place is best for friends gathering. I'll show you why. Let's go. So there are many reasons why. So this is one. So this is the rain dance setup, and these sprinklers will sprinkle water on you. So that is the rain dance setup. And because I am alone here, I don't think I can ask them to switch that on. But let's see if we get, or if I don't get, I'll do some editing and put some water. Let me show you the property. So, obviously the second reason is the pool, because you can always chill by the pool with your friends. And let's go into the rooms. So this is a nice common area right here, and an attached washroom here, and this is the bedroom. Okay, so this can accommodate up to 4 or 5 people if you're ready to adjust. So yeah, let's go outside. So this opens to the pool area, and this is another same identical room. So this farmhouse can accommodate up to 8 to 10 people. So next time when you have a party and think of party and some weekend getaway, come party by the pool here. And now that this property tour is done, and I will head to lunch now, and let's see how the lunch tastes. Today I felt like eating some fried rice and some Manchuria. So I got it there. They made it for me. So here you can get what all you order for, and the food is included in the package that you go for when you book the stay. So yeah, some amazing food, and let me taste it. So I thought I should be eating in this garden, because why did we come to farm stay if you're going to eat in the dining room, right? So yeah, there's a very big dining room right there, and I'm enjoying my delicious food. It's very tasty. Okay, we are at this pool. Enjoy. Okay, here goes the video. Bye bye. See you next time. Subscribe.